And welcome back. The trainer's title will come down to the final race day as defending champion Anthony Nunes jumped back to the top of the standings on the penultimate day of the local racing calendar. This as Horse of the Year contender Further and Beyond landed the Ian Levy Cup for a purse of $4 million on Sunday at Caymanas Park. Denise Walters was at the track and filed this report.
Two-time champion trainer Anthony Nunes dominated Sunday's 11-race card with a four-timer, teaming up with informed jockey Robert Hallidine for 3 winners. The crowning moment came in the feature going 8.5 furlongs when under a ride from Hallidine, Further and Beyond pointed the nose in front, overtaking stablemate Sparkle Diamond in the stretch to give Nunes $2.16 million of the purse that helped him to a $1.3 million lead.
But they're into the lane, and it is Sparkle Diamond stepping just off the fence, and Further and Beyond now shoots through like a rocket and picks up the lead. It is Further and Beyond now beginning to open up. King Arthur left over against the fence, right against it, that's Crimson. Calculus now wound up for his late run, but it is Further and Beyond with a clear lead inside the final 16th. It is Further and Beyond coming away under Robert Hallidine. Further and Beyond may have sealed the championship for Anthony Nunes, but we'll have to wait and see. Calculus is second, and then Crimson, King Arthur, Santorini.
Further and Beyond won comfortably by 7 lengths in a new stakes record, 1 minute 43 and 2/5.
He was rode brilliantly. Robert had him close enough and didn't ask him too early, and the longer you wait on this colt, if you give him the opportunity, he's going to kick into gear, and he performed beautifully. I'm a little bit upset. He should have won the Derby this year. I'm so sorry for the owners. He really deserved it. To me, he was the best 3-year-old. But this is a nice fitting end to the season for him.
Racing continues on Monday with an 11-race card with first post set for 10:45 a.m. I am Denise Walters reporting from Caymanas Park for TVJ Sports.